Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change default search engine in Safari on your iPhone. And this is quite simple. Right now, if I click here on New Year's Eve and do go again, you see that we are using Google as our search engine. Right now I like it, but I want to change this. So then you need to do the following steps. Alright, throw this one away, go to settings, go to the bottom and click on apps right there. Then search here for Safari and then click on Safari. Then right now you can see here at search engine. Please click on that and then decide which one you want to use. Now let's say we want to use Bing, then go back. Then you have the option to decide a private search engine. Now let's do Bing 2. And then you can also use in private browsing, so please turn that on. And right now if you go to Safari and I search for New Year's Eve, hey, he is using Bing. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.